For the installation, if there's only one battery in the system, you will need only to connect 3 cables: positive, negative, and the communication cable. Here, the positive cable to your inverter, positive, and charger, positive, and negative to your inverter, negative, and the charger, negative, and your communication cable. If your inverter supports CAN protocol, CAN protocol, you can connect the communication cable here. And if your inverter only supports RS485, you can connect it here to your inverters. Then, if only for one battery, the installation is done only 3 cables. But when there is more than one battery, 2 units in parallel together to make 10 kilowatt hours, then we will need to do 3 steps. Step number 1 is to set the address right. Step number 1, set the right address. Here, as you can see in the ADS area, there are 8 little switches. Every switch has the options of on and off. And we take number 1 to number 4 as one set, and number 5 to number 8 as the second set. So actually, these are like 2 sets of 4 digits in binary. Now the default setting is all the switches are off. Okay. If we need to set one battery as a host battery, we will turn the number 5 switch to on here. Okay. Now this is done. This is the host battery that will be with one sub battery. Okay, this is the sub battery. We will need to turn number 1 switch to on. Okay. Then it means that the first 4 digits is number 1, which means that this is the number 1 sub battery, and the last 4 digits is 0, which means that this is a sub battery. Okay. Now the address setting is done. Well, it doesn't matter if you may get a little confused now, because we have a very detailed document for this address setting. You can read the document to do the address setting one step by one step, no worry. So as you can see here, the address, the first 4 digits can be from number 1 to number 15. So the sub battery can be 15 units in max. And then there's also a host battery. So in one battery group, and there can be max 16 units in parallel connections. Then step number 2, we will need to also connect 3 cables to make the 2 units in parallel connections. Okay, now the 3 cables are connected. 1 positive, 1 negative, and 1 communication cables are connected. Then step number 3. Now the 2 units are connected in parallel together, and now these 2 units can be considered as one whole battery system. So the third step is to connect the host battery to an inverter and charger. 3 cables, 1 positive, 1 negative, and 1 communication. Positive terminals to your inverter, positive, and charger, positive. Negative cables to your inverter, negative and charger negative, and communication cable CAN to your inverter if your inverter supports CAN protocol, or RS485 to your inverter if your inverter only supports RS485 protocol. Okay, now the installation is finished. Okay, thank you for watching. This is Andy. If you have any other concerns or questions, please contact me directly. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.